The ultimate Headoutcom review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you love travel experiences, most people get this wrong by booking tours and tickets directly at destinations, often paying more or missing out on popular activities. The surprising truth about Headoutcom is that it's an online platform offering discounted tickets, tours and experiences worldwide, letting travelers skip long lines and enjoy verified services. First, create an account on Headoutcom. You won't believe how many users skip this, losing access to special deals and booking history. Signing up allows you to manage bookings, track cancellations, and receive notifications for limited time offers. Next, search for experiences. Most people get this wrong by scrolling randomly. Use filters for destination, date, price, and ratings to find the best options. Headout offers everything from city tours to shows, spa services, and local experiences. Check reviews. The surprising truth is that user reviews are reliable indicators of quality. Focus on recent feedback to ensure experiences meet expectations. Compare prices. You won't believe how much you can save. Headout often offers discounts compared to official sites, especially for last-minute bookings. Complete booking securely. Most people get this wrong by ignoring payment safety. Headout uses secure payment gateways and provides instant digital tickets, so you can skip queues and enjoy your activities stress-free. In conclusion, Headoutcom turns travel planning from 0 to pro. By creating an account, filtering experiences, checking reviews, comparing prices, and using secure payments, you can save time, money, and enjoy better travel experiences anywhere in the world.